And that's your jacket, that blocking the drum.
It says to press to deactivate and deactivate the bubble sort function.
That'll be that one, I think, and that one where there's like minimum iron and for shirts and.
No, so the bubble sort function.
Yeah, I think it's there. That one.
Bubble sort, it shows like.
Yeah, that one.
You got to press it to do that?
Not while it's on, I don't think.
What, you've got to press it?
Yeah, you've got to press it before setting it off.
Which one activates the bubble?
That one. Where the bubble is.
And what will that do to it?
It'll just get the bubbles rid of it, won't it? There are extra options like minimum iron and for shirts.
Which is minimum iron.
That one, like where the iron and
where that?
You press that one, and then you press that one for the bubble.
Bubble sort.
Is it?
That's different.
Oh yeah. It's doing distributing on the start of the wash. Well, my auntie's does.
Some are different.
It's similar to this one, but it must be the one before it, or the higher model up, because the computer thing on that thing is big on hers. Well, we looked at it in Curry's this morning. I think it was more or less the same. I'd have to look at it again. I've got the videos of it somewhere.
You know this bedding?
Yeah, that's the bedding for like duvets and sheets and.
So you have to put it on that one for bedding.
Well, you can do if you want, but also if you want to do it on like on a 90-degree wash or a 60.
This one, dark garment.
Like for dark things.
And what about this delicate?
Delicate, you know, how Leslie uses it all the time.
Baby care, what's baby care?
For baby clothes and things, like child clothes.
And what's that eco drum cleaner? Oh,
that's for cleaning the drum out on its own.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, you get some of that stuff. Just put it in and then put it on that.
Yeah. Clean the drum.
Most of them have got it on now. Well, they all have a thing.
That what Leslie used delicates.
Yeah, all the time. Every single wash she's had on the delicates. I looked at it on this one, and it's only about a 35-minute wash.
Is it?
Yeah. I'd like to use the delicate one day. I think it does it automatically on Leslie's when you turn the power button on.
You have to find out which one she's done.
Yeah, it's that other one we looked at next to this one. She's away at the moment, so I'll have to. Yeah, she's in Denmark at the minute, isn't she, till weekend.